Good morning, Raiders.
I'm Juan.
And I'm Miguel.
And these are your news and announcements for today, Friday, March 3rd.
Seniors, you must order your cap and gown for graduation. The new order deadline for this is March 5th, which is this Sunday. So make sure you order now.
Registration time is upon as students meet with their counselors. What are you taking next year? Did you know? CI offers so many amazing electives, from patient care essentials to performing dance to guitar assemble to this class. We're filming in right now, video and film.
Mecha presents Baile en las Islas, Friday, March 10th.
Teachers and staff, nominate your peers for the Raider Rockstar. Our next Rockstar will be announced on March 6th. Please nominate a colleague who you think is a rockstar by today.
Saturday enrichment is scheduled for this Saturday, March 4th from 8:30 to 12:45.
Sporty news. Cheer trials will begin in March. Stay tuned for more info.
Now we will be doing the golden ticket drawing. We have 3 prizes. The first prize is a lanyard backpack with a tricolor highlighter. Second prize is a CIHS hat. And the third prize is a CIHS water bottle. Come on, boy.
So now we'll mix a jar. First one is Lorena Kamba from Ms. Luna's class.
Alright. Our second winner is Luis Hernandez from Ms. Salcedo for showing honor self and others.
Next one is Isaiah Serrano from Ms. Powers for showing community.
Winners, please pick up your prize in room 53, C building. Thank you all for showing community, integrity, honor, and social responsibility here at the Islands.
Check out our new March schedule for the Recall Wellness Center on their Instagram at CIHS_Wellness Center.
Do you have any photos or videos you would like to promote? Please send in your announcements at least 24 hours prior to the scheduled broadcast. Reach out to us at CIPictureTheDay@gmail.com.
That is all your news and announcements today.
Have a great day, Raiders.